I think a couple more times I can do it.
Yes, you can do it.
Day 4 in Costa Rica, and I'm back at Tamarindo Beach. The reason is because I'm gonna take my first surfing class. I always wanted to learn how to surf. I just never did it because I'm not gonna lie, the ocean in LA is just too freezing for me and I can't handle the cold. They only charge $60 for 2 hours private lesson. It comes with a surfboard and a rash guard. So let's see how it goes.
Strong faith, close family.
Okay, so this is my instructor, William. We're here at Tamarindo Beach. How do you think I did for the first time? Because it was very hard.
No, it's your first time, but you are so good, really. Yeah, at first it's very strong, the sea, but then no, the conditions are better and so good, bro. You are so good.
You know what I like about this beach? The water was very warm.
Yeah.
And William, he's my favorite instructor.
You done?
Thank you, my brother. You're the best, man. Thank you. All right.
My everything. You are my